If you're a woman in menopause and nobody has ever talked to you about testosterone, we need to have a serious conversation today. Because you have been told about estrogen, I'm sure. Maybe progesterone. Maybe even your thyroid. But testosterone? That's the problem. Let me say something very clearly. Women need testosterone. Not bodybuilder levels, not turn into a man level, just physiologic levels. Testosterone is not just a male hormone, it is a human hormone. Women produce it in the ovaries and adrenal glands. And guess what happens during the menopause? It drops. When it drops, things change. You feel it, like low libido, low motivation, brain fog, loss of muscle tone, increased belly fat, low energy even after sleeping, mood instability, less drive to exercise, less confidence. And here's what frustrates me. Many women get told that it's just aging, and it's just normal, or worse. Lady, you're depressed. No. Sometimes you're hormonally depleted, that's all. Now let's talk about physiology for a minute, okay? Testosterone in women supports muscle protein synthesis, just like in men. Mitochondrial function, insulin sensitivity, bone density, sexual function, cognitive sharpness, dopamine pathways in the brain. When testosterone declines, you lose metabolic strength. You lose resilience. You start gaining visceral fat more easily. Your glucose control worsens. Your muscle mass declines faster than it should. And your bones become more fragile. And if you care about longevity, metabolic health, and quality of life, this matters. Now, I'm not talking about random pellets thrown in without labs. I'm talking about precision hormone optimization. At Diabetes, Thyroid, and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast, we do this properly. We check comprehensive labs. You do total testosterone, free testosterone, SHBG, estradiol, progesterone, DHEA, thyroid panel, etc., metabolic markers, inflammatory markers when needed. And we look at the whole picture because hormones do not work in isolation. They work in networks. Then, if testosterone replacement is appropriate, we use bioidentical hormones. Bioidentical means structurally identical to what your body produces. Dosed carefully and monitored closely and adjusted intelligently. And no, you are not going to grow a beard, I promise. When done correctly, women feel stronger, more energized, more mentally clear, more confident, more interested in intimacy, more like themselves again. And I see it every day in my clinic. Women walking exhausted and frustrated, and a few weeks or months later, they say, I feel like me again. Thank you so much. This is what we are aiming for. We want to see you happy. Now, let me talk about something practical. One of the biggest barriers to hormone care is the cost confusion, right? So labs, doctor visits, compounding pharmacy bills, and yada, yada, right? Follow-ups, price charges. It can become overwhelming sometimes if you're on a budget, but we simplified it. At Diabetes, Thyroid, and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast, we offer all-included hormone plans, like one low monthly fee that includes your bioidentical hormone therapy. You don't have to pay. Your labs, you don't have to pay. You don't have to have insurance. Your doctor visits, all covered. Monitoring, adjustments, no nickel and diming, no hidden surprises, just structured, predictable, medically supervised care that you cannot find in wellness clinics. Because hormone optimization is not one-time prescription, right? And it requires a specialization. It's not a game, it's an ongoing relationship. And you deserve real medical oversight from an endocrinologist. Now, if you are anywhere near Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Palm City, Jensen Beach, Vero Beach, we are right here for you. Diabetes, Thyroid, and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast, we specialize in metabolic health, thyroid optimization, weight management, hormonal improvement, hormone optimization, and basically comprehensive hormone therapy. If you're tired of being dismissed, if you're tired of being told it's just menopause or it's just your age, but you want evidence-based, bioidentical, physician-guided care, come see us. Go to our website, tcendo.com. Call our office, schedule a consultation. Our number is 772-398-7814. Let us run the right labs. Let us look at the data. Let us build a plan specific to you, because menopause is not the end of vitality. It is a hormonal transition, and transitions can be optimized. You do not have to accept fatigue. You do not have to accept brain fog. You do not have to accept low libido and have a problem with your relationship. You do not have to accept feeling invisible. You deserve strength. You deserve clarity. You deserve energy. You deserve to feel powerful in your own body. And if testosterone is part of that solution for you, of course, we will guide you safely and intelligently. I'll see you at the Diabetes, Thyroid, and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast as soon as possible.